story, but it comes with a price. I just paid the rent, but that don't cover the lights. I'm from a single parent home, no single loan. I hustle for every dollar, so singles is all I've known. No such thing as a sweet ghetto, where broken beer bottles cover sidewalks like leaf petals. So welcome to my street meadow, where the angels battle with the devil on a deep level. And cops so persistent to tie us up, but even in the jail system we fly as fuck. Hope the world gets ready, cause I'm rising up. I speak directly to the rebels and the rioters. Yeah, yo, I'm living my dream, but at the same time I got a vivid little scheme. I'm walking through the dirt trying to find me a pearl. You give me $1, I give you the world. Yeah,
I need $1, $1, that's what I need. Hey, hey. Well, I need $1, $1, that's what I need. Hey, hey. Said I need $1, $1, that's what I need. And if I share with you my story, would you share your dollar with me?
yo, check it. All I've got to survive are a few things: my 2 hands and some shoestrings. Like the freedom bell, I can make the truth ring. For a couple dollars, I'll teach you to be a true king. I never once claimed to be a know-it-all, but for $1 I can help you over the wall. Take you on a trip through expensive corridors and decorate your wall with some vintage Warhol. Living life I don't like what the coffin offers on the corner, cause I never liked the corner office. Petty hustlers causing ruckus, but we used to sell weed that had Jamaican niggas coughing off us. Yo, we living a dream, but at the same time we got a vivid little scheme. I'm walking down the dirt trying to find me a pearl. You give me $1, I give you the world. Yeah,
I need $1, $1, that's what I need. Hey, hey. Well, I need $1, $1, that's what I need. Hey, hey.
Hey, what I told you, baby.
$1, $1,
said you
that's what I
safe with me.
need. And if I share with you my story, would you share
blue
your
butterflies
dollar with
and all,
me?
baby. Yo, and I'm inspired by spinning tires. I die hustling, never retire. While they expire, I leave a legacy behind through these rhymes.